Okay, first thing first, make sure you tear your bowl and then place your chopped up cabbage into the bowl. You want to make sure you tear it first so you get this weight right here. I have this in grams.
Echo, what is 3% of 910?
3% of 910 is 27.3.
So now I'm going to measure out my salt. So about 27 grams. And it doesn't have to be precise. Now I'm going to add some of the salt and get to massaging. You want to massage in the salt into the cabbage.
I try it. That is salty.
As you can see, the salt has been massaged into the cabbage. Now it's time to take it and pack it into the jars. So you want to take some, start packing it into the jars, and then you want to take an implement and kind of smoosh it down in there. I'm going to place a leaf kind of on top of it to help submerge down all the pieces. And then I have this little glass weight to kind of help things stay submerged. And I'll press this down so we can have some still headspace between where the brine is and where the top of the jar is. Okay, I packed it down. And as you can see, there is some water. You want the water because that is your brine. And the important thing is to submerge all of your plant material in the brine. Now you'll notice how there isn't any pieces of the cabbage that is sticking out of the brine, except maybe this piece, because anything that's going to be sticking out of the brine, like this little piece right here, will have mold on it. So you get that out of here. But this glass weight isn't necessary. You can also use a bag with water on top of it, but I find sometimes that also gets mold. So this is kind of really one of the best things if you're going to do this a lot to kind of invest in. So I press this down. Okay, so now I have sealed it. And I am putting this little gas exchange thing up here. This isn't 100% necessary, but I want to not have to worry about burping this thing. If you didn't use one of these, you would have to periodically burp it. It doesn't explode quite like a second fermentation of kombucha, but it can get a lot of pressure buildup. So if you have a gas exchange in like a kit, use it. Last step, but still an important one, label. Then you're just going to place it somewhere where it'll stay warm. And the fermentation magic began. I forgot to add this part and this cap. And now fermentation is ready to begin.